Want to make a snack with me? Today we're going to make a sandwich, because I love eating. Want to know where the sandwich got its name? A long time ago in a town called Sandwich, England, there lived a man named John Montague. He was playing cards and didn't want to get his hands dirty while he ate, so he ordered meat between 2 slices of bread. And voila! The sandwich got its name. I love a good sandwich. How about you? Would you like to make one with me? Come on, let's go. I've laid out all my ingredients so I can see what we'll need. I like to start with something to build on it. Paper towel works, or a plate. Most people use bread, but I like to add a little crunch. So I use crackers. Now come the toppings. You make sandwiches with all kinds of things, but I like to keep mine pretty simple. And definitely no lettuce. Meat is a must for me. But you can make it without meat too. Not sure why this lettuce thinks it belongs on my sandwich. I'll get rid of that. Personally, I like a good cheddar cheese. I slice it up and layer it on. Then I add a little mayo.
Just a pinch.
This really helps with the flavor. And if I'm feeling spicy, I add red pepper flakes. Now top it off with a second cracker. You can also use a second slice of bread. There you go, my sandwich is finished. Sometimes, if I'm feeling really spicy, I use a little hot sauce, but I always keep my water nearby just in case it's too spicy. Well, I guess that's one thing I can check off my to-do list, but I might get hungry again later, so I'll keep my recipe book nearby. In the meantime, I have a delicious apple and juicy grapes waiting for me. It looks like Mike's setting the table and getting the cutlery. Guess he doesn't know this is a finger food. But thanks, Mike. All right, let's eat.
Cheers, bud.
Cheers, Mike.
Compliments to the chef.
Hey, do you see that? Where'd that lettuce come from? Off you go. I love to end my meal with a little something sweet. Cookies are my favorite dessert. Our sandwich is done. Let's get all our gear packed up. Joke time while the clean time. What do cows like to put on their sandwiches? Mustard. Okay, it's time for the show. Let's watch together.
No crust, right?
Nah,
I never understood that. For you? Want some cheese?
definitely.
Yeah, of course. That was a stupid question.
You know how I like the cheddar.
Turkey, all right?
Love turkey.
Turkey honey maple? Maple honey turkey? I don't know.
Sounds good.
I'm just gonna slice it. There you go. You want some mayo?
Oh, yeah.
But no lettuce.
Mm-mm.
I know. Just a pinch. Here you go, Mansoor.
Thanks, Mike. Ooh.
This is pretty good. Cheers, bud.
Cheers, Mike.
Compliments to the chef. You got something on your face.
Huh? Okay, see you next time for another Benny's Mini World Tiny Snack Project. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.